Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am also fine. Today we will talk about our country. This is lesson number 2 of your social studies book. Before we start today's topic, let's do a quick recap of what you have learned in your previous class. What is the full name of our country? The full name of our country is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. How many provinces are there in Pakistan? There are 4 provinces in Pakistan. Which is the capital city of Pakistan? Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. My dear students, in today's session, we will learn about many new things related to our country. We will learn about northern sides of Pakistan, location of Pakistan, neighboring countries of Pakistan, population of Pakistan, majority and minorities, the landscape of Pakistan, living and working, provinces and administrative areas of Pakistan. Before we move to the explanation, let's have a look at some keywords. And keywords are coastline, glaciers, rocky ridges, landscape, migrated, minorities, majorities, tributaries and tribal areas. Coastline. The area where the sea and land meet is called a coastline. Glacier. A large body of ice moving slowly down a slope or over a wide area of land. Migration. People moving from one place to another to stay there. It often happens in a large number. And a river or stream flowing into a large river or lake is called tributary. Landscape. A landscape is a visible features of an area of land. Rocky ridges. A long, narrow elevation of land and a chain of hills and mountains. Tribal areas. A group or community with similar customs and traditions. Majorities. The greater number or part. The number larger than half of the total. Minorities. The smaller number or part, especially a number or part representing less than half of the whole. My dear students, have you ever visited the northern sides of Pakistan? Pakistan is a beautiful country. It has a variety of natural features. From 7th of the world's highest mountain in the north to the long stretches of beautiful coastline and beaches in the south. When you visit the northern areas of Pakistan, you come across high mountains with snowy peaks, glaciers and icy lakes. It is very cold there. Location of Pakistan. Pakistan is in the southern part of the continent of Asia. It has an area of 796,095 square kilometer. Neighboring countries. Pakistan shares borders with 4 countries. Iran in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China in the northeast and India in the east. To the south of the Pakistan is the Arabian Sea. Dear students, have you seen a world map? Are all the countries of the world are same in size? No. Some countries are bigger than Pakistan and some countries are smaller than Pakistan. Population of Pakistan. Population of Pakistan is over 207 million. The population is diverse in the term of habit, languages, custom, style of clothing. We may be different from each other, but we belong to one country. We are all Pakistani. Dear students, think about the reasons why the population of Pakistan has grown rapidly. Yes, because people have large families. More people live longer and migration. Many people have migrated to Pakistan from other places. Students, did you know in Pakistan people follow different faiths, but majority of population is Muslim. And Islam is the state religion of Pakistan. 96% of Pakistanis are Muslim and rest of minorities are Christians, Hindus, Parsis and Sikhs. Students, do you know what is the color of flag symbolized? The green portion of our national flag represents the majority, and that is Muslim. And minorities are represented by the white portion of our national flag. The landscape of Pakistan. In the central part of country is Punjab. There are wide plains with rich fertile soil watered by the largest river of Pakistan, River Indus. River Indus and its tributaries. River Indus start in the Himalayas mountain is joined at Mithankot by river Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Sutlej, which flow as one from Panjnad in the southern Punjab of Pakistan. In the west there are mountains, but these are not as high as those in the north. There are no large rivers, lakes in the west, but it has a long coastline along the Arabian Sea. And in the east side of Pakistan, there is an area of desert land. Living and working. Students, in Pakistan, thousands of people are living in villages. Most villagers earn a living by working on the lands. In villages, people also make handicraft products and sell them to earn money. Handicraft products mean decorative or useful thing made by hands. As you know that villages in Sindh and the Punjab have grown into the large towns and cities with tall buildings, offices and factories. So, people living in these towns and cities have changed their professions.